These are my cats. I've personally experienced the wonderful impact of cats and their positive vibes on my life. Their affectionate nature and soothing purring brings a sense of calmness and reduced stress levels. Simply petting a cat can release those feel-good hormones and lift spirits, making their humans feel happier. Their companionship can also combat feelings of loneliness or isolation, offering a source of comfort and joy throughout the day. Overall, the positive vibes that cats bring into your daily routine can enhance your well-being, making each day a bit brighter and more enjoyable. In this video, I'm going to make my kittens a cat treehouse, in which it is a piece of furniture designed for cats, providing them with a structure to climb, scratch, and perch on, simulating a tree-like environment for their play and relaxation. Safety in woodworking and carpentry means being careful while working with tools and wood. You should wear things like safety glasses, ear protection, and dust masks to stay safe. Always handle sharp tools with care. Keep your work area clean to avoid tripping, and learn the right way to use tools to avoid getting hurt. Be aware of things like wood splinters and dust, which can be harmful. Finally, follow safety rules and get proper training to make sure you stay safe while working on your carpentry projects. When making a DIY cat treehouse, it's crucial to prioritize safety by wearing protective gear like goggles, using tools carefully, and working in a tidy space to prevent accidents while creating a fun and safe play structure for your feline friend. Additionally, you should choose cat-friendly materials, secure all parts firmly, and regularly inspect the cat treehouse to ensure it remains safe and sturdy for your pet's enjoyment. Making a DIY cat treehouse taught me patience because it involves careful planning and taking time to build it right. It also improved my problem-solving skills as I figured out how to assemble and secure different parts. Then it enhanced my creativity as I designed a unique structure for my kittens. And lastly, it fosters responsibility since I will need to ensure it's safe for my pet and well maintained. Thus, building a cat treehouse can help develop qualities like patience, problem solving, creativity, and responsibility.